Okay, so genre U. Genre U is reduced volume or limited weight. So, yun yung integral process ng Toyota production system o nung lean manufacturing. Okay? Pag sinabi mo namang genre U management, it is the way a production process is designed. So, ibig sabihin, kung paano dinesign yung production process ng Toyota, which is towards lean management or reduced volume or limited weight. So yun, lagay na lang natin sa ganun. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng genre U management at saka ng genre U. Okay? Bukas na natin pag iba-vlog yung apparent efficiency at true inefficiency na sinabi ni Ohio o yung isa sa founders ng Toyota production system. So bukas na yan. Yung true efficiency at saka apparent inefficiency. So importante sa business yan, sa production. Pero ito muna, genre U management at saka yung term na genre U. No, para sa mga business, mga may alam sa management and sa business, sa manufacturing, ito siya. So, yun lang po.